Myself Nutan Singh, and today my topic is community outreach program. So let's start with the first slide. What is community outreach program? So I think if you can read the sentence, you can read the idea that what is community outreach program. An outreach program aims to help uplift and support those who are deprived of certain services and the rights. So it is a program for started or give a support to those who are deprived with certain rights and services. You can take it is a type of marginalized group who are discriminated by the society from the beginning. Okay, so this program has been started or set up by the community outreach worker to help and support for the upliftment or for the development to those deprived class. Okay, then what are the things involved in this program? Okay, what the community outreach workers, what they can involve in their program for the betterment of these deprived class. So they involve giving learning, social planning, health support and other projects. Okay? They can make or they can start other projects also for their betterment of the deprived class. Okay? Okay, next slide is the aims of community outreach program. What is the aim? Why we can start this program? What we can get the benefit from this program? So the aim that these programs opportunity, give the opportunity helps the student to build a sense of responsibility. That the student they come forward and take the responsibility for the betterment of the deprived class. And the sensitivity towards the society. They can do something for the society. They come forward, take the responsibility and do something to the betterment of the society. Students can deepen their understanding. This program is also create a leadership quality in the students. Systematic change, social responsibility towards the national and the global multicultural society. So this is the main motive of this program to start. Understood? Now next is the goal of community outreach program. So after A, what the goals? So goals community outreach program aims to support community based project. Okay, in the first slide, you just seen that it support or they can start some project for the betterment for the development. So based project that address our real needs. उनको कमी क्या चीज है? What they are having lack, what they are having lacking over there, and identify by the community and meets the needs, and they try to fulfill the needs of the poor or the deprived class. So this is the main goals of the community outreach. Okay. Now come to the next slide. Come to the strategy. Definitely after aim, after goal, then what types of strategy have been made by the community outreach worker. Okay. So these are the few strategy. Conduct a need assessment. Identify and know your issues. Which type of issues these workers, the programmist or the worker, community outreach workers, they have to be focused on a particular issues. एक community अगर हमने choose कर लिया, उसमें क्या कमी है, उसके ऊपर काम करना, ठीक है? So they have to be focused on the issue, set a goal, definitely create a list of stakeholders. कमी की पूर्ति कैसे करें? How they can fulfill their needs. ठीक है? तो definitely for that purpose we need the stakeholders. ठीक है? तो come to the next slide. Focus. It is related to the strategy. ठीक है? Just now I discussed that the focus on a particular issue in a community and try to address. Address it means कि what they are having the problems. Okay? what they are not having, matlab which resource they are not having to fulfill their own needs. So first would be lack the, some of the examples I have given over there, try to address that. It would be a lack of the health care. Okay, the workers should be work and focus on the issue that there is a lack of health care, high child mortality rate or poor community health. After, not only focus on the particular issues, they are also trying to educate that particular community. How they can educate to on that issue that they must be tackled and solve their problem by own. Understood? Next is the work for policy change that will help further your goal. In case of Planned Parenthood, they work for the Affordable Care Act to stay. So it is also one policy, take it, and it work under the Affordable Care Act to stay. Community channels, communications channels. So these are the few communication channels where the community outreach workers get that information of community outreach, that deprived class. So through the media, you all know that media is play a vital role. We can get a lots of information through the televisions and the newspaper. Next is the local organization. Okay, it is a local organization, it is a non-profitable organization or the program which is started or set up in the by the local people. Understood? To fulfill their needs, to meet their requirement of deprived class. Okay. Next is the community outreach information network. That is the COIN. The short form of this is the COIN. Okay. It will be used to get the information by the public where all the communication channels are failed. Okay? So that is the short form of the community outreach information network. That is the COIN. Last is the social media. So you all know that social media is one of the most powerful communication medium today. Okay? And it influences not only over the cities but also in the remote areas. So these are the few communications channels, okay, from which we can communicate to the deprived class and do something for their betterment. Now the next one is the identify the vulnerable communities. Vulnerable, it means the marginalized group, those who are discriminated by the society through the social economic status. After the till which age, किस एज के लिए आपको काम करना है, ठीक है. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बी नो द स्टेटस थ्रू सोशियो इकोनॉमिक एंड द डिसएबिलिटी. कम्युनिकेशन मेथड, ठीक है. These are the few 3 points are there. Through the survey we can collect the information. After that the community assessment, मूल्यांकन करना जरूरी होता है. हमने एक तो निकाल लिया कि सर्वे करके इंफॉर्मेशन, वी कैन कलेक्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन, बट आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू बी प्लान फॉर आवर असेसमेंट, आवर वर्क. दैट इज इट फोकस ऑन द कैपेबिलिटीज of the community, including its citizens, agencies and the organization. They all are involved there to make their assessment success. Next is the focus group. Definitely when community outreach workers, they can start any programs, they need some volunteers, okay? They need some groups. Okay, so focus groups are used to find out what issues are most concern for a community or a group. Roles of community outreach programs. Now see the next one is the what are the different roles of the community outreach program. The first one is the community outreach program workers service human being by helping their organizations to promote. How they can promote? Through the public education. They can give the education, volunteer recruitment. Understood? They can recruit some members in their organization. coordinations between the community outreach and the community outreach workers, the programmers, and the fundraising. ये तो important है, ठीक है? Stakeholder if it is there, then definitely fundraising. बिना पैसे का मतलब ऐसे अगर हम लोग मदद करने जाएंगे तो it is not possible. We must be need some fund. So by doing this, the community outreach workers help their organization fulfill its mission to service the community. Okay, so by doing this, all the 4 points, the community outreach workers help their organization to fulfill its missions to service the community. Importance of outreach program. What is the importance of outreach program? Outreach program, community outreach program are avenues take a path to bring the growth to society and the people around us. तो जो हमसे निचले स्तर पे हैं, ठीक है, तो through this program we can take them equal to the general or the general people, सामान्य लोगों के स्तर तक उनको लेके आने की कोशिश किया जाता है. तो community outreach programs are avenues to bring the growth of the society and the people living around us, and also raise and create the social awareness on these sensitive matters. Public awareness. Okay, so first we can public awareness is one of the most important कि करना है और public को aware भी करवाना है. तो through campaign, after that participatory learning, the workers or the programmers, they can not only take only the decisions, okay? They can also make how to implement their decisions, how to execute their decisions. ठीक है, तो after set up the community outreach program, ठीक है, they choose or make their groups. After that, they can actively involve themselves in the decision making. Not only taking decision making, so they actively involve themselves and implement their decisions. Informal education. Education is an important tool for community development because it creates a sense of community, identity, and shared purpose. It can also help to build a skill. Last 3 line is a little bit more important. That it helps to build a skill and knowledge needed for people to work together to address common problems. Okay, they come together, okay, and sort out the problems of deprived class. So through one video, just a minute, one more video is there. Just a minute.
To everyone for coming here today. Damuhang salamat din alam kay Miriam Chance, may share na ako today ng MPs.
Last one more thing I just last one thank you.
ये ठीक है।
had that how to create this students. So definitely you have remembered that in our school, Jyoti Club and Interact Club, under the leadership or under the in chargeship of Varinder ma'am, we are trying to create these human values or moral values inside the student. They always come forward and take steps to help the deprived class. You just remember that once upon a time, I think Amit sir, Amit sir was in charge and they had taken some of the students of class 10 to the government school, पढ़ाने के लिए. So these things, definitely these outreach programs, it create some moral things or moral values inside the student. And last one is, thank you.